and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I'm just doing a quick video today for an update for you guys. Firstly, I would like to say a huge thank you so far for your support for our October launch. There is great interest in many of the items, trays and pens as always. We've already taken steps to try and make sure that we produce and provide more of those month on month. But today's update is for a couple of things. One is I do want to show, somebody did ask to see the difference between the previous yellow tray that we did in September 2021 compared to this month's. So this is the difference. I'd say this is slightly more of a mustardy yellow, whereas this was a vivid yellow. So that's the difference between those two. I did try to get a picture, but it's just not working. So I figured lots of different camera angles would be better to show you the difference. It's subtle, but it is there. So that was one update. The other update is in relation to the diamond paintings and the advent calendars. So I do want to say a huge thank you for your support, as I say, and your interest in the advent calendar. The diamond painting advent calendar. I'm going to get myself confused. There is a very high, looks like there's a very high demand at the moment, especially for the square painting. So do bear that in mind if you are wanting a square. Also, in turn, if you are happy to have a round, also bear that in mind. Yeah, demand for the square is high, so I did want to give people pre-warning in relation to that one. Also, in relation to the advent, we had no idea how good or bad the advent calendar itself would go. All I can say is from the sign up for the wait lists and the comments and everything so far, you've blown us, you know, shocked us completely in regards to how many of you are potentially looking at purchasing the advent. So much so we hate letting people down. However, due to the suppliers we use for some of the items in here, we weren't able to increase our numbers on shorter notice. But what we have decided to do is to introduce a 12-day calendar as well. And I wanted to make you all aware so that you've got options in case the 12-day is actually better for your budget. I wanted you to be aware that it's there. I didn't want, you know, this one to sell out and then us offer the 12-day and you wish you had that option. So we are going to be producing as many as we can. I still don't think it's going to meet demand, but hopefully it will help those to at least get some form of advent. But we're doing a 12 days of Christmas advent. Details of this one will be up on the website as soon as I can get nice enough pictures. I may have to do pictures with our standard white tissue paper just for the purposes of getting them up there for you guys as soon as possible. But I've finally managed to put the finishing plans on this. So yeah, I will get an image up of this as soon as possible in case you either prefer the 12 days of Christmas or so that you can see the listing and of course all the pricing before launch, so that you can make your plans according to your budget. Of course, this one only has 12 days, this one has 24. So you are getting less items, but it is going to be a lower price, but it is still a high retail value in relation to this. I think it's over £50 worth retail price worth of goodies inside this one if we go for recommended retail price, and it's over £19.95 in this one. So stay tuned for this listing coming up as soon as possible. It might even be up by the time this video goes up, but I can't promise because it's very busy over here in Admiral's Est HQ. But yeah, little update for you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I hugely appreciate all of your support, and yeah, the potential amount of people that are going to join us for December Advent. Whether you buy the painting or not, do please join us for December Advent, where we diamond paint a little bit each day. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.